Hi students, welcome to online class. Students, this is about the digestive system. I think we are already knew that about the digestive systems and what are the organs of digestive systems. So here this is the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestines is there. And in our previous class we learned the particular organs of the functions, what they are doing in the digestive system we learned. So once again I will explaining about the digestive systems. Okay, this is mouth is there. Basically students, the digestive systems begins with the mouth. The digestive system is start with the mouth. When when you eat the food in the mouth, first we properly chew the food, and how much you chew the food, that better to saliva is mixing with the mouth. So saliva is secreted in the mouth, that is help to food becomes soft. So that's why we more chew the food to better mixing with the saliva, the food becomes very soft. After this happen, the food have that soft food goes to the food pipe. This is food pipe. So food pipe function is it carry the food from mouth to the stomach. That's only this is food pipe function. After here what happened, first of all this is stomach. This is look like one muscular bag, and this walls of this walls of the stomach, this walls of the stomach secreted one more juice. That juice help to change the chew food into simpler substance. From stomach, that food goes into the small intestine. This small intestine is there. It's very important in the digestive organ system, because this digestive system in the small intestine is a very long coiled tube, and some more juice is mixed with the food here. Here also saliva is mixing with the food in the mouth, and in the stomach is also one more juice is secreted in the mouth. That juice is mixing with the food, and one more time in the small intestine one more juice is secreted and it mixed with the food. And again in the small intestine, this walls of the small intestine absorb the digested food, and it carry to the blood vessels, and it pass to the blood vessels, and this blood vessels carry the digested food to the whole body and supplying it with nutrition. After this what happen, some parts of the foods are not digested in the small intestine. So that undigested means waste food, students keep in your mind, that waste food have reaches the large intestine. Then what is the function of large intestine? This is large intestine. So large intestine, this walls of the large intestine absorb the water and undigested food throughout the water anus. This is anus. So that's why you have to keep in your mind, the waste food should be leave our body, otherwise it will harmful our health. So that's why develop our regular toilet habits. Okay, I hope you are understood this one. Okay, now let's come students, we shall discussing about some exercise questions to solve this one. Here textbook is the student, here checklist is there. Fill in the blanks with the correct alternative. The process of digestion begins in the where? Here two options they are given, stomach and mouth. What I said in that before this one, when I was explaining the digestive system, the process of digestion begins in where? Mouth. The answer is mouth. So digestion begins means start. Process of digestion begins in the mouth. Similar types of cells join together to form, options are an organ, a tissue. What the answer? Tissues. Yes, you already know this one. So similar types of cells join together to form a tissue. Next one, the walls of small intestine absorb the water or digested food. The walls of the small intestine, no, not water, digested food. What? Digested food. Okay, fourth one, waste food is stored in the undigested food. Waste food means undigested food stored in the large intestine, small intestine. Which is, yes, student, large intestine. Large intestine. Last one, saliva. Saliva is secreted in the stomach or mouth. You already know this one. Answer is mouth. Okay. Thank you, students. I hope you are understood very well this class. Okay. Have a nice day.